Will this be the most powerful car we've ever had on the dyno? Oh no, this idiot. I didn't blow it up, it's fine. I think it's just a coolant line or something. Don't worry about it, don't worry about it. What did you do? Are you jumping on anti-lag before it's even warm, mate? It's too early. I was just trying to warm it up. What hose is it, Papa?
Yeah, she's nice and
hot already?
Yeah.
And don't know. We'll be right back. Oh, what? You got a haircut?
Through the big turbo.
Yeah. Looking sharp. Aerodynamics on this man right now.
Watch how fast I am now.
What's going on? Welcome back to the Keep Reet YouTube channel and another triple compound VL Turbo, my favourite video. My name's Jason Scott, this is Jason Farron. We're down here at Check Tuning. We said in the Macca's video, if it got 5k likes by Sunday, we would put this thing on a dyno, and you did it.
That's what we're doing.
That's what we're doing.
We're here.
We're here.
I think we're actually currently at like 4.7k likes. Oh. But by this video comes out, we would have been
It's also not Sunday yet, so it's gonna happen. You ruined it.
I ruined it.
Anyway. We did it.
Hopefully they don't make a mess
we
here.
need to say.
Trent did have the mop ready as we were coming in, so.
Yeah, I forgot to bring the tray to slide under it to catch all the rods and pistons, but yeah, we're gonna run her up. We've deleted the wastegate since the last video because it wasn't letting us run much boost, so now it will run boost for boost.
Smack a comment down below how much boost you think it's gonna run and how much power. We've got extremely high expectations for those non-existent ARP stubs. So let's get into it.
Yeah, let's do it.
First amazing thoughts.
It's fucking hilarious. The best thing I've ever seen.
That's right with it, yeah.
Look out.
Oh my god.
Got a turbo for your turbo for your turbo.
Is this one eat kebabs as well?
Yeah, it runs on kebabs.
Oh, don't blow it up yet.
Here she is. The pinnacle of automotive engineering. Best car to roll into Check Tuning.
Go shut it up.
Ever.
Does it like stay up it?
Oh, it's got some bracing.
Some scaffolding.
Yeah. I added a little bit more this morning because she was, it did just have this one to the motor, so I figured I better put something to the body.
Yeah, it's triangulated now.
Yeah. Triangles.
Triangles.
Triangles. Some of your finest work you've ever seen, Trent?
I'm super surprised that this thing still works after eating a HS, no, a kebab or whatever it was.
The AU stopped going.
Yeah, it took a little bit to clean the bearings out, but she's spinning up now.
Anyone want Macca's?
Well, when we saw the Macca's run, we were going to take my car through the Macca's run. That was going to be a video we were going to do. And then when we saw yours, we were like, shit, can't do that now.
Can't beat it. We interrupt this video because we've got some spicy merch that you need to get on. So jump on our website, keepreet.com, and get some. But also, make sure you support those that support us. Check out Checkered Tuning and also their new YouTube, Drift Cat Chronicles. And you can see her catching her NASCAR beast on fire and she's about to turn this thing up. So make sure you go subscribe and check it out. Back to the video.
Alright, she's started up, she's on the dyno, it's about to go down. I hope you got your guesses down in the comments below. Let's see what happens. Full flat, baby. boost kind of disappeared off the screen there.
Where'd the boost go?
All of it.
And then you backed up.
I backed off and that's what broke it. I should have kept it in.
Yeah, keep it flat. We've got no blow off.
Yeah,
if you were dopes here, half of you would love it.
We haven't got a whole lot of bead rolls on the cooler pipe. And,
Pliers.
yeah, true.
Is that our fuse? Are we removing the fuse or are we...
Well, I feel like if we fix that one, it's just going to pop another one off.
do it up again.
Rush job, Jassy.
Oh, not at all. We'll be back. It wants to make a lot of boosts.
It was exciting. Just put 5 clamps on there.
Yeah,
What about if we
just looking for a little makeshift boost control solution so we can put our foot into it without it making 600 PSI boost.
Took drilling holes in the dump pipe before the turbo. Just a couple of,
Yeah, a
10
couple
mil
of
holes.
manifold leaks or something, maybe a hole in the cooler
What
pipe.
happens if you restricted the dump pipe? Like out?
Restrict
or does
the
that give you
intake?
more boost again?
What about if we take this off and just let it
We can do that.
bleed half of the boost out of there?
We can do that. See what happens. It's worth a shot.
What do we actually get?
It stopped at 27.
Oh, that's all right. There's still more in it, yeah?
Yeah, oh,
We're not running out of turbo or anything, are we?
just running out of engine. No, not running out of turbo. I've got 3 turbos. Running out of engine.
It's built.
Oh, I'm happy to keep my foot flat, but
Alright, well, that's good. We're not running out of turbo, so I think we got all bases covered.
We need a little bit of boost control because we don't want to completely kill it yet. We've still got much
yeah,
to
this
come. We want to send it off properly. We've still got still got something else sitting there that we might want to use. This is our solution, is it?
2 leaks.
Give it that.
You reckon it'll make boost? We're on lads, let's do it! Fire up! I need a riot shield and some safety glasses. Just lost some boost. We have boost control, ladies and gentlemen. This much leak equals around 17 PSI. All the boost. The right amount of boost. Boost on. Boost on. To the moon! Will this be the most powerful car we've ever had on the dyno? Jeez! All right, it's about to go down. Our makeshift boost control is working an absolute dream. It's making all the boost, all the power. We're gonna do one more run, bury the foot into it because Trent's been, cruising into it. So he's gonna absolutely bury it. Will this be the most PSI we've ran down at Checker Tuning? Will it be?
Will it be true PSI?
PSI 60. Will it be the most powerful car we've ever had in this dyno room? You're about to find out. Let's do it. We did it! Woo! What a weapon! How insane was that?
There's all of the boosts.
What an absolute beast.
It is the most powerful car we've ever driven.
You heard it here, ladies and gentlemen.
Where's all the flames at?
It's not popping
Is it
anymore.
too cold? Is it just too cold?
It might be.
It was Dave.
Yes, sir, you ruined it!
Oh, I can feel the vibrations. Yeah.
We've just finished our dyno session. Let's go get our printout. I can't believe it. How'd we do?
All done.
Okay.
Let's see.
Ooh, 1,000 horsepower!
Where's the boost at?
Oof! 50 PSI!
God damn.
This thing is not messing around.
That's insane. I can't believe it. It actually worked.
Oh, what's this one?
These guys.
Wait,
Oh.
these ones?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
That can't be right. 175 kilowatt.
Ah. And on that note,
Thanks for watching. If you want to check out this car in person, make sure you head down to our Friday night drifts, 18th of August. It's going to be there shooting flames. So is the Barrow Wagon. She's coming back.
Barrow Wagons is
The beast.
see you next time.